sociologist chose 300 students at random from each of 2 schools and asked each student how many siblings he or she has. The results are shown in the table below. There are a total of 2,400 students at Lincoln High School and 3,300 students at Washington High School. And now for the question, what is the median number of siblings for all the students surveyed? Now, before we even try to tackle this question, let's just make sure we understand this table that's given. We can see 2 schools here, Lincoln High School, Washington High School. And the data is as follows. The number of students who say that they don't have any siblings is 120 at Lincoln and 140 for a total of 260 students. And students who said that they have 3 siblings, for instance, at Lincoln was 30, at Washington was 10 for a total of 40 students who have 3 siblings. Now, remember to find the median of any set of data. You have to arrange those numbers, the data points, from the least to the greatest. That means in ascending order, right? But if you look at this, we just discovered that we have 260 zeros. So we'd have to write 0 260 times. That is a lot of numbers. The ones, we have 190 of them. The 2s, we have 90 of them. 3s, we have 40 of them. 4s, we have 20 of them. That would be too much writing to be able to do this problem, and we certainly don't have the time to do that. So we're going to use logic to try to answer this question. Once again, remember that median is the number in the middle when you arrange these numbers from the least to the greatest. So that means we would have 260 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 260 of them. And then we would have 91, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 90 of them. Then 2s all the way through. We would have 90 of them. We would have 43s. And then we would have 24s. And then we would start crossing out the numbers, from this one, the outermost numbers, and work our way inside until we finally end up with a number that is in the middle somewhere. That's what we're going to do, but you're going to use logic. So let's think about this. If you were going to just look at the lower end, so that's where the zeros are, right? That's 260. That's like this lower end. We have 260 of these numbers. We would need at least 260 on the right side, the upper side, to counter those 260. That means the 260 on the left would have to cancel 260 numbers on the right. So if this is 260, we would need to find 260 on the other higher side, and we can see at least for these 20, 40, and 90, that is going to be a total of 150 numbers. So we know then that the middle is going to be somewhere in here. The middle is going to be in the 1, so that makes B the answer to this question.